Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will make a classic best skills tutorial. So there are some skills that I will tutorial later. There are back heel kick skills. There are whiplash skills. Fake shoot skills. Turning skills. Rabona kick skills. Overhead kick skills. Heel to heel kick skills. Trivela pass skills. Hard kick skills are not slow. There are curve kick skills. Deception kick skills. So those are some of the skills that I will tutorial. Before continuing to the tutorial, please subscribe and like first. The first skill is a heel kick. Actually, doing this method is very easy, guys. If you want to be able to do this, follow my method. Your players must face the back of the goal like this, guys. The joystick must also be pulled back. Then press the shoot button. It's very easy, guys. This method is already classic, guys. It's been around for a long time. Here, guys, look! The players must face the back of the goal like this. How are you guys? Are you all starting to understand?
Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't never let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just want to be the best, call me great now. I don't know
If you understand, I will continue to the next tutorial. The second skill is whiplash.
I'ma pick a side, I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planted on the ground.
This method is also very classic and also very easy, guys. Oh yeah, guys, if you want to be able to do this, you must have one skill. The name of the skill is step over and exit, guys, this one. The first way is to do a fake shoot. Do a fake shoot so that the ball stops at the player's feet, and it will be very easy to do whiplash. Then the second one uses the move step over and exit skill. And finally, double tap the joystick. Tap or tap the joystick quickly, guys. If you can, it will happen like this. Do you understand, guys? Okay, if you understand, I will continue to the next skills tutorial. The third skill is fake shoot. This skill is very easy, guys. You only need to slide the shoot button to the left like this, but the slide must be fast, guys. Fake shoot is combined with whiplash. The fourth skill is turning around. This skill must use the move skill, guys. The skill name is step over and exit. If the player is facing backwards like this, just use the move step over and exit skill. After using the move step over and exit skill, just use the joystick pointing forward like this. It's very easy, right guys? Okay, I'll continue to the next tutorial. The fifth skill is the Rabona kick. If you can already use this Rabona kick, it will look very easy to do, guys. The first way is to slide the pass button up. Then after passing, move the joystick. And finally, swipe the screen like this, like the letter U or a smile. Do you understand, guys? The sixth skill is overhead kick. Overhead kick is also very easy, guys. This is a classic skill that has been around for a long time. The first way is to slide the pass button up like this. Then after passing, just swipe a straight diagonal line like this. It's very easy and simple, right guys? Okay, let's move on to the next skill. The seventh skill is heel to heel kick. Actually, guys, this method is the same as how to do Rabona earlier. It's just that the player's movements are erratic. The method is still the same. First, slide the pass button up. Then after passing, move the joystick. And finally, swipe the screen like this.
what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do.
The 8th skill is Trivela Pass.
My mind is so open.
If you want to be able to do Trivela Pass like this,
There is no potion.
make sure the player you have has the trait of kicking the outside of the foot. The method is very easy and simple. You only need to slide the pass button to the left like this. The power of the pass is full, guys. If your player has the traits of an outside kick, you just slide the pass button to the left and the Trivela Pass will happen by itself. The 9th skill is a power shoot that is not slow. This is a regular power shoot, guys. See, the player's movements are very slow. In a regular power shoot, the player pauses for a moment or takes a run up first. Different from a power shoot with additional skills. This is a power shoot with additional skills. Look, guys, it's very fast and